Hello everyone, in front of me is ONEPLUS NORD 5G and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, select edit icon and click on add picture. Now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery, click on photo, give it a couple of seconds. Choose the one that you want to apply. Let me select this one. Now you can rotate it, you can customize it however you like, and then save copy. To apply the photo to this contact, save. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up.